Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see this icon that looks like a sun. This is the screen brightness icon. And to change the screen brightness or adjust it, simply tap on this icon, and here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the minus and plus buttons. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen. As you can see, the brightness is now at full, so it's quite bright. You can also change the brightness via the settings, I believe. So we can press the side button to wake up the screen, then swipe down on the screen to open the quick panel, then tap on the settings icon, and here we have the brightness option. Oh, my bad, brightness option. You can tap on it, and here you can again adjust the brightness to your liking, and then press the side button to go back like that. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.